Tra-la-la, tweedly-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweedly-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill, and welcome in the morning on Mockingbird Hill. Good morning, I'm Ms. Lee, and you are listening to Bird Song, and we'll have some more stories at the Wellesley Free Library. Let's begin with our gathering song with American Sign Language, and we'll sing along with the birds. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. Oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For the last few weeks, I've been able to walk around my house and walk around the neighborhood, and I've heard more birds than I ever heard before. And they're beautiful birds. The mockingbird is amazing. It's not very bright, it's sort of gray, but the male mockingbird can learn 200 songs. What he does is he copies other bird songs. He mimics them, he mocks them, and that seems to appeal to the female mockingbird because that makes her think, if birds think, that the male is older and wiser, more experienced, more skillful, and has chosen a larger territory in which to look for food, like insects, wild grapes, blueberries. So the mockingbird is one of the most fascinating birds that I know. My favorite is the cardinal. I always loved the cardinals because they were red, and the male cardinal is really bright red. The female is a little more dull, and I think the reason for that is because when the female lays the eggs and sits on them to protect them or goes back and forth to feed them, well, she doesn't show up as much as the male does. And so any animals that want to come along and steal the eggs won't notice where this nest is, probably. Here's a riddle for you. Why do some birds fly south in the winter? Because it's too far to walk. Anton Can Do Magic by Ola Kernica. The great Sorkar, world's greatest magician. Here comes Anton. Anton has a magic hat, a real one. Anton wants to do some magic. He wants to make something disappear, a tree. Anton stares at the tree. Then he does some magic. That's funny. The tree is still there. That tree is probably too big. There's a bird. That's smaller. Anton does some magic. The bird is gone. Anton can do magic. Here comes Luke. I can do magic, shouts Anton. You can't, says Luke. I can, says Anton. Can't, says Luke. I'll make you disappear, says Anton. Anton does some magic. Luke is gone. Anton has made Luke disappear. But Luke shouldn't disappear. Anton wants to bring Luke back. That's not Luke, or is it? Is that you, Luke? Luke must not fly away. Here come the girls and Luke. Greta's bird is gone. Nina is helping her look for it. So is Luke. I'll make the bird come back, says Anton. Ha ha, says Luke. Anton does some magic. The bird is back. Anton can do magic. I have another riddle for you. When does a duck wake up? At the quack of dawn. And I know all you duckies out there know this song, 6 Little Ducks. 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat ones, skinny ones, fair ones too, but the one little duck with the feather on his back, he bled the others with the quack, 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 quack. He led the others with the quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, wibble, wobble, to and fro. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with the quack, quack, quack. A quack, 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 a quack, quack, quack. Home from the river they would come, wibble, wobble, ho, ho, hum. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with the quack, 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 quack. He led the others with the quack, quack, quack. Ducks and chickens are birds too, of course. But I have to tell you about the birds that made nests on my deck. I have a covered deck, and up in the rafters of the ceiling, there were 3 birds' nests that I saw this summer. I couldn't believe it. They were all sparrows' nests. I saw the mamas and the papas coming back and forth, and boy, did they make a lot of noise. But I never saw the eggs. I saw the nests from the edge, but I didn't climb up on a ladder. I didn't want to get too close to them. So on Monday, I found this feather on the deck of next to my house. And so I looked up and I saw 2 little birdies that were just sort of sitting very quietly way up high. I didn't say a word. I didn't want to scare them away. So I picked up the feather and I took it with me to tell you about it. Now, nests are very interesting. This book, Mama Built a Little Nest, is about all kinds of nests. It's by Jennifer Ward, and the pictures are by Stephen Jenkins. I just want to show you a few of them. Mama built a little nest. My daddy helped out too. They placed my egg upon his feet. That's where I hatched and grew. Emperor penguins. Daddy built a little nest, and then he built another, and another, and another, hoping to impress my mother. This is a cactus wren, and the male builds lots of nests in order to confuse any animals that might want to come along and eat the eggs. So there are lots of nests, and the female wren can choose the exact one that she wants. Mama built a little nest by digging out a burrow. It was a hoot. Our little home, a safe and feathery furrow. This is a burrowing owl, and this bird actually digs a hole underground as a nest for babies, for chicks. You have a nest your very own, a place to rest your head with pillows, soft and cozy thoughts. Your nest is called, you're right, a bed. What do you call two birds in love? Tweethearts. Shh, we have a plan, by Chris Houghton. Look, a bird. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Tiptoe slowly, tiptoe slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready, one. Ready, two. Ready, three. Go! Look, up there. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Climbing slowly, climbing slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready, one. Ready, two. Ready, three. Go! Look, down there. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Paddling slowly, paddling slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready, one. Ready, two. Ready, three. Go! Hello, birdie. Would you like some bread? One, two, three. Look. Ready, one. Ready, two. Ready, run away! Look, a squirrel. Shh, we have a plan. I have another weird book for you. This one is called Weird Birds, and it's written by Chris Early. You can find it in the nonfiction section of the library, and if you need help, you can ask a librarian to show you where it is. Its number is 598, and the author's last name is on the spine of the book too. I just want to show you two unusual birds. The first is the ostrich. It's the biggest bird we know. It can stand 6 feet 5 inches tall, and it can weigh 400 pounds. Now, the ostrich has very big eyes, sort of on the side of its head, and these eyes can see anybody coming because the ostrich can't fly. It needs to run really fast on its strong legs to get away from any predators. So those eyes are always looking for danger. The other interesting thing is that the ostrich's brain is smaller than one eye. Now, the smallest bird, you may know, is the hummingbird, and this is a sword-billed hummingbird. It has the longest beak in relation to its body, which is quite small, of all the birds. And that beak goes into a flower to get the sweet nectar, like honey. It's time for our goodbye song. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly. I'd like to leave you with one more riddle, and that is, what kind of eggs do hens that are crazy mixed up lay? What kind of eggs do mixed up hens lay? Scrambled. Now, I want to wish you a week full of sweet tweets and say Auf Wiedersehen, which is goodbye, or I'll see you again, the way the Germans say it.